morning, everyone. Welcome to our winter concert. I don't want to speak for very long because I know you didn't come to see me, you came to see them. And for the second grade parents, don't worry, they're coming. They're coming. But I will tell you that the students have worked so hard on this and they are so proud. We got a sneak peek of the show yesterday and it is absolutely amazing. They look amazing. And Mr. Beal has produced a wonderful show for you today. So I hope it adds to your holiday enjoyment, and welcome to our holiday winter concert. Thank you.
At this time, we would ask everyone to stand and please join us in honoring our country by reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
And you can remain standing for our third graders who are going to be singing the Star-Spangled Banner.
Welcome to the 2016 Lawrenceville Elementary School Winter Concert. The theme of our concert is Sounds of the Season. The first, second, and third grade students have worked very hard for the past couple of months, and they are all very excited to sing for you. Thank you for coming and enjoy the concert.
Even though Thanksgiving is over, we have a turkey song we will like to sing for you. During the holidays, turkey is a pretty popular item on the menu at family dinners.
In the gobble song, the first graders will be pretending they are turkeys, and they will tell you what their plan is for Thanksgiving this year.
An idea we'd like you to consider.
Let's just get this giving. We need all the If we all work together and support each other, we truly can make this world a better place. Even that we are young, each of us can make a difference at a young age.
In the song A Better World, our first grade will be singing about friendship, unity, and how together we can accomplish anything.
Let's find a way to change the future today. If we reach out, we can make this place a better world. Come take my hand, and we will start a new plan. If we reach out, we can make this place a better world. Nicknack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Many of you might recognize those words and know what song it comes from.
You can try to sing along with us, but be careful. There are lots of musical surprises that might catch you off guard. We hope you enjoy your silly version of this old man.
This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack all night long. This old man came rolling, 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 rolling. This old man, he played two, he played knick-knack on my shoe. Skips and I do. This old man came rolling home.
In the song Winter Walk, we hope you can imagine the beauty and wonder of a winter day.
Evergreen trees covered in snow, children laughing and walking outside on a snowy day.
These are just a few of the winter images we will be singing about in this song. We hope you enjoy our performance of Winter Walk.
Have you ever wanted to have a piece of pie before your dinner? In this song, the second grade disguised their plan to do this.
Be sure to listen carefully at the end of the song, as the entire second grade splits into two singing parts. We hope you enjoy the silly speaking solos as well.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin pie, chocolate good creamy, oh my, it's the only way to fly, eating pumpkin pie. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves, we'll be eating you and toast, nummy nums for you and I, eating pumpkin pie.
I think we should have pie before the main meal, don't you?
The pumpkin pie, all those other foods can wait, all that turkey on your plate, start with the pie. The pumpkin pie, gravy, dressing, mashed potatoes, save them for a little later. Got you, cannot eat that pie. Pumpkin pie, roar like splashy, splashy. Pumpkin pie,
winter, summer, spring, and fall. If these four seasons could talk to each other, what would they say?
In this season's song, the four seasons are dancing in a circle at the festival and having conversations with each other. Enjoy this fun and upbeat song.
On a bright and sunny day, to the banks of the creek, Mother Nature and her children came to play hide and seek. Winter, summer, spring, and fall go dancing in a circle at the festival. Tra-la-la and a diddle-diddle day. 'Tis the season when the seasons come out to play. Said the winter to the spring, I will meet you very soon, when the bees begin their buzzing and the flowers bloom. Winter, summer, spring, and fall go dancing in a circle at the festival. Tra-la-la and a diddle-diddle day. 'Tis that season when the seasons come out to play. Send the spring to the autumn, you will never catch me, for the blustery winter time will stand between us, you'll see. Winter, summer, spring, and fall go dancing in a circle at a festival. Tra-la-la and a diddle-diddle day. 'Tis the season when the seasons come out to play. Tra-la-la and a diddle-diddle day.
One of the most prominent images of a holiday season is a candle. Regardless of what each person celebrates, candlelight is a beautiful image that anyone can appreciate.
Candlelight Canyon is a 3-part canyon, and the third graders have worked very hard to stay focused on their singing part while hearing 2 other groups sing their part at the same time. Enjoy!
In the glow of candlelight, all of the world comes together tonight. And in the glow of the candles we see peace for you and peace
Blue Skies is a local jazz song that was written in 1926. It is so popular that it is still being sung by people 90 years after it was written.
This song will feature a few third grade students singing scat solos. Scat singing is when a singer tries to make their voice sound like an instrument. Enjoy this catchy arrangement of Blue Skies.
Smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Bluebirds singing a song, nothing but bluebirds all day long. Never saw the sun shining so bright, never saw things blown so right. Noticing the days hurrying by when you're in love, smiling like blue days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on. Ba-da, ba-da-da-da, da-ba-da-da-da, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-da, ba-da-ba-dee-da-da, da, ya-ya-ya-ya-ya, da, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da, da-ya, da-ya, da. Shining so bright, never saw things go so right. Noticing the days hurrying by when you're in love, smiling bright. Blue days all are gone, nothing but blue skies.
This Christmas song doesn't really tell us much about Santa Claus, but rather his reindeer. In this song, the reindeer are really rocking.
In Rock and Roll Reindeer, you're going to hear singing solos and rocking dance move and see the entire first grade, second grade, and third grade split into two parts and have a musical conversation. Enjoy!
Santa's got a brand new reindeer blue, rock and roll reindeer 2x2. Got a sleigh full of toys, they know what to do. Rock and roll reindeer 2x2. Now they're on the floor, now they're in control. It's time to fly, let the good times roll. Rock and roll reindeer really gonna rock tonight. They'll have fun, 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 flying high up in the midnight sky. Midnight sky. Now they're ready to go. They're ready to ride. You know they're gonna take it right in stride. Rock and roll reindeer really gonna rock tonight.
So many toys, so little time.
Rock and roll reindeer 2x2.
They're all wrapped up, not in their friend.
Rock and roll reindeer 2x2.
So when Santa's back's up against the wall, rock and roll reindeer will answer the call.
Rock and roll reindeer really gonna rock tonight. We'll have fun, 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 flying high up in the midnight sky. Midnight sky. Now they're ready to go. They're ready to ride. You know they're gonna take it right in stride. Rock and roll reindeer really gonna rock tonight.
One way that families who celebrate Hanukkah decorate their homes is by putting a menorah in the window. A menorah has 9 candles, 8 candles to represent the 8 days of Hanukkah, and the 9th candle is in the middle is used to light all the other ones.
The menorah in the window helps families to remember the history of Hanukkah, and it also creates a beautiful image that one might see on a winter evening. We hope you enjoy candles in the window.
Song of Peace is a song about wishing for peace all over the world. Here at LES, we do our very best to spread peace and joy in our school and community. We hope you feel peace and joy as you listen to us sing. Enjoy!
If I could write a magic song that everyone could sing, I would write of love, of hope and joy, and things that peace could bring. And when we
Before we do our last song, I just have a few people that I would like to thank. This is not an easy task to take off. Before I forget, the teachers of these students have been so helpful and so cooperative. It's a lot of this and that, and go here, go there, and I can't do it without them. So let's just give a clap for our first, second, third grade team. And I would just like to thank all of those people that you don't get to see them help today, but they've done so much for the music program here and the concert. Mrs. Lockett, who supports this program endlessly. Miss Raimondo, who made our beautiful bells on the backdrop here. Let's clap for Mrs. Lockett and Mrs. Raimondo. Mr. Francis couldn't be here. He's a new daddy, but he is incredibly supportive. This is his classroom. He gives it up for me. Mr. Perdomo, our wonderful custodian, helped set up the room and make sure it looks wonderful. And Ms. Testa for making a beautiful program. So let's clap for all those people. And before I turn it over to Katie, just from me, I would like to wish everybody a happy holiday season. It's so great to see you here. And please come back to all our other concerts. The next one is March 29th. It's the third grade musical. So I'm going to turn it over to Katie.
Thank you so much for coming to our winter concert today. We had so much fun singing for you, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Before we sing our last song, the first, second, and third grade students would like to wish everyone a happy holiday season.
Happy holidays! One, two, ready, and we are the third graders, and we go to Lawrenceville Elementary School. The name of the teacher is Mrs. Menorah. The name of the principal is Mrs. Lockett. We love to learn for our success. LES is the best. Oh!
Take that last bow, boys and girls. One more bow. Let's hear it for our singers today. And two more things really quickly before we go. I want to take a moment and thank Miss Raimondo for her lovely decorations. Thank you, Miss Raimondo. And of course, this would not be possible without all the hard work that Mr. Beal puts into it. Can we get a big round of applause for Mr. Beal? Thank you, everyone. Happy holidays. Thanks for coming today.